Okay, I'm going through the front door. It's going to be quick. Walking in the front door, living room, dining room combo. Plant shelf. Niche. Front door is tall too. Okay, I'm walking through to the middle of the house. All the lights are off, so down this way are the spare bedrooms, the hall bath, don't want to run out of room on my stick here. Remember, it's like laundry room, tall ceilings, linen closet, spare bedroom 1, ceiling fan, closet. I know it's fast, but the other spare bedroom. Coming back down the hall. Okay, again, it's the front of the house. Zoom back around. The kitchen. Arches. There's still some craftsmanship things that need to be done, touched up, but all in all. There's the pantry. Kitchen. That's where the refrigerator would go. The tile. You can see here this little cleanup. This is where the appliances are going to hide that. Sink. Okay, it pans out to the family room and the dining eat-in area and the master. So we'll go around here real quick and I'll try to scan. Just the back. And scanning back around to the family room. The kitchen. Don't want to run out of room for the master. Okay, and here's the master. Just pretty big. Ceiling fan. Little boy. Okay, and here's the master bath. These are tall cabinets here. And a nice walk-in closet. So from behind the door, it's tall, all the way down, 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 back around, and we're good. Hopefully this helps and doesn't make you sick. And that's it. So I'm going to go call the listing realtor. Alrighty, there we go.